Smokey Bear Historical Park in Capitan.
Do you know who Smokey Bear is?
No.
Niall?
No.
Do you know who Smokey Bear is?
No.
Should we go find out?
No.
Okay.
There are three things you need: heat, oxygen, and fuel. That's what you need to make a fire.
This is kind of cool. It shows you an Alamogordo. We were that low, and then we go up into the mountains, right? There's Cloudcroft, and Ruidoso's over here. There's an Alamogordo.
You can see Ruidoso, okay? That's what it's called.
The fire just stopped just when it got the house, so it only got half of the house.
Well, yep, it only got half the house. But this house over here is safe, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
The most dangerous type of fire to control is when it spreads all over the tree.
What's it called?
It's called crown.
Crown fire, yeah.
9 out of 10 fires are started by people.
A tree cookie? Have you ever heard of a tree cookie, Lachlan? You have heard of a tree cookie?
That's how archaeologists tell how old areas are by identifying how old the trees are.
Wow.
Depending on how many layers they are, like here there are like 73 layers.
I'm thinking like those towers built
What are those towers built for?
for spotting wildfires.
Yeah.
I thought birch trees were just a fake kind of tree.
I wonder what they taste like. Oh, and they're white. That's interesting. I would normally not eat white berries.
The what?
Wants to do bobcat?
Yep.
Fiona,
Yeah.
what's the name of this tree?
The Gamble Oak.
Yeah. Can you say the Latin name? It's-
Quercus belly.
Yeah. Quercus means oak.
Rose is over here. That's one of them. There's gonna be fire.
Why did they bury it?
I don't know.
Balloon?
Yeah.
Because it broke.
This is the grave of Smokey the Bear. I think he just died of old age.
Yep.
He was how old was he?
26.
26, and I think that's like 80 years in bear years.
Well, yeah.
Human.
86 in human.
C, and then a big C, uppercase.
Yeah, even I see that.
Smokey Bear Historic Park was a lot of fun, and the kids learned a lot, and it was very nostalgic for those of us who remember the old PSAs. We have a DIY project to do inside the RV, and then we are going to celebrate Doug's birthday. So today we're working on a little project in the RV. The fridge here is what we're going to be working on. It's obviously not magnetic because it's just wood paneling, but we have all these magnets that we've been collecting, and we want to change that. So luckily these wood panels just slide right off, and we got some sheet metal that we're going to put in instead. So on the fridge doors, there's a piece of plastic right here, and when you pop it off, you can just slide the panels right out.
There we go. You can let go.
Okay.
And
There you go. You just take that piece off, and now Lachlan, you want to try to slide the panel up and out? It's going to be heavy, yeah. There you go. You got it. Lift. Yeah, you got to watch out for the other cabinets, huh?
hold up. I need to. Where was it? Here, that'll make it a lot easier. 25.
Keep going. Nice.
When's the moment for us to do this?
Alright, so we have the panels off the fridge. Now we are going to trace them onto cardboard and cut out the cardboard in the right shape. The channels that the panels sit in are a bit wider than the sheet metal we got, so we figure the cardboard backing will help keep it a little sturdier, kind of like in a picture frame, how there's cardboard behind the picture. Now that we have our cardboard cutouts done, we are going to trace them onto the metal, and then we'll cut those out with tin snips. Alright, we've got the top half done. As you can see, it looks pretty good. It was quite easy, a lot easier than I expected, but I know that the bottom half is going to be harder because it's a weird length and I couldn't get metal that was long enough, so I'm going to have to come up with some sort of way to piece it together so it doesn't look terrible. But hey, at least the top is done. So we were going to do a picnic for Doug's birthday today, except it started hailing. Little unexpected.
Yeah, we were partway to the park, and all of a sudden there was hail, and a river appeared in the middle of the road.
Yeah, this is crazy. I've never seen a storm like this in the summer or ever. I don't know.
Yeah, it's a first for me.
Yeah, crazy. It was kind of scary driving. We're pulled over in a hospital parking lot right now, waiting for it to stop because it's not really safe with the huge rivers on the side of the road.
Yeah, and the giant balls of hail
Well,
flying
yeah.
at
Yeah. Colin and I are brave enough to investigate the hail.
Well, these are huge piles of hail that came off the roof.
We'll pick some up.
And, no.
Go pick it up.
No.
Why?
Up, 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 up.
Oh, that's really cold.
Yep.
Oh, grab.
If it weren't raining, we could do a hail fight.
You can throw some at Niall.
Hey! No!
Well, you throw some at...
Oh, it's really cold.
Throw it at Mommy?
No.
You can throw it at Mommy.
Really cold.
Throw it at Cohen.
No, I don't want
Hey.
Oh no!
Did he get you?
Yeah.
Here. Throw it at your brother. Yeah, it's ice.
Yeah. Ooh, that's nice. Part of the glass is like water.
Oh! You! What did you just do? Okay. Hey, Fiona.
Yeah.
What's the date today, Fiona?
August 2nd.
And there's snow on the ground.
Yeah.
No, hail.
Ice.
Well, we went about a mile down the street from where we were, and there is no sign of any storm here at the park. The ground's not even wet, certainly no hail. So we're going to check out the river for a little bit and have some fun, and then hopefully have time to go to the dog park.
I checked it out, and the only thing that there was missing is ice cubes just floating around in it.
All right.
That was missing.
You heard it from Niall. No ice cubes in the river.
Yep, that was.
You can take your other shoe off too if it makes it easier.